So yeah, may I screw it out? Yeah, this is another stand, but I have this let me take this out. I have this selfie stick. It has show me in the sun and I can't see nothing what I do. Oh, zoom. Yeah, I have this selfie stick that I have the phone on right now. But I have this other thing here where you can get higher and higher. You can click these out and it goes way up in the air. Way up. 87 feet. 87 inches, I think. Yeah, 87 inches up in the air. I may buy it and me not use it that much. I use it when me in the kitchen. Yeah. Oh, not say. So come out there, son, yeah. Yes. I go throw the rest of this soil now and pot. Which pot don't have a lot? I'm going to throw it another pot over there, so. I'll put away the selfish, this stand here. And you can just fold it up, look. You can just fold it up, look how. You just fold it up. Oh, mosquito. Woo. Yeah. I'll put this on, back on the selfie. You know, the sun depend on the phone and I can't see nothing. Any questions that you guys ask, I might have to wait. I'm there right outside my house. And he's inside here. I'm a kitchen stool. Me that's sit on pan. I was sitting on my kitchen stool. So I'm gonna go in with my bag here. No. What noise is that out there? Oh, and people never stop work on their house. I have to lift up this net because I have to use it. I see a pepper. Woohoo! I see a half-ripe pepper. I'm not leaving it. Not leaving it. See, another one. It's half-ripe. As me say, me pick them when they're half-ripe because I want the tree to ripe up. The more you pick, the more they ripe up. Tomatoes are like that too. It's like once you pick them, then jealous and the rest of them ripe up. So, most likely me have tomatoes here. Yeah, so I have potato out here. So, about 4 potato bag out here. Damn net that draw me with. That net I see, man. Sometimes it me want cuss, even though it's good to protect the plant. Them, but, you know, I see one ripe pepper, I leave in there. Yeah, and this is tomato here. Some small tomato, I think them purple. And this is cowpeas. Make it run right up on the holly. You know, this holly fence is right around the house. And you know, every year, like early part of the year, like April, May, it blossom and we can't walk through the front part of the house because so much bees out here. It's like a beehive. So it not serve no useful purpose to me. So me just make the sometimes I let cucumber run up on it. And sometimes I make like now I make the cowpeas run up on it. That's another tomato growing there. So this is my front yard, guys. And there's a little park up there. The kids, one of the reasons why my daughter choose this place is because of that little park. When the kids then come here, they fall in love with the little park. You can't see the little park. Can't see it? Yeah. And swing and slide and whatever they have out there. And they have a seat out there. All the time people out there. Sometimes all at night you hear them out there. I think somebody out there right now. But this is my front yard. And it's a big yard. You see it? Big yard. Big yard. Go all the way back so. You see it? 1 acre land. So this is what 1 acre land look like. Yeah. 1 acre. Oh, so what? It's better now. Oh, you couldn't hear me good? Yeah, a while ago it did go in. Yes, when me look, me see one something on the screen. I don't know what was going on. Couple of times that happened. Yeah, thanks, cry baby. I have to make you a honorary person over here like me did do